Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a power hour. I love doing power hours. What you do in a power hour, if you're not familiar, is you do as much as you can do in 1 hour. Normally I make a list of everything that I want to do during the power hour, but for this power hour I want to dust everything, or dust as many surfaces as I can in my home. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this power hour. This power hour is hosted by my dear friend Jessica from Jessica My Rose. Please check out her video. A lot of other great YouTubers collabed in this video as well, and there's going to be a playlist down in my description box, so please check it out. So let's get busy with this power hour. I am starting my power hour by cleaning off my desk, which had become quite the collect-all for dust. If you are a returning subscriber or a first-time viewer to my channel, I just want to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Jen. My channel name is Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I do a variety of homemaking content. I am a former teacher and love to help teach you how to do things around your home, whether it's something within the kitchen or whether it is decorating, whatever the case may be. I love to help and teach others. 2 years ago, I became sick with a virus that attacked my heart, and I am a heart failure survivor, and I love sharing that on my channel as well. So if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and staying with me. I would love to have you in my YouTube family.
In the door, I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little all guess you didn't catch me looking over my shoulder just at the right time. Those little moments all let me you only got you about. All those little moments. All those little moments.
We are going to be mounting the TV back over the mantle again soon, and I'm so excited that we have that planned because I am so tired of dusting this piece. It just is a magnet for dust. So I have to take everything off and I have to dust it, and I am just really ready to have this back above the mantle and do away with the knickknacks and just have peace right there. I've got some chairs to put there, so I'm just ready.
One more Saturday night, you're wearing them jeans so tight. I'll keep waiting for the perfect moment when you're dancing like that, with that shirt and that hat. God, I'll need just one more drink to calm down. Ooh, you know I need you. Oh, what can I do to reach you? Oh, girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable. We could leave this place, stay in bed for days. You'd be my Yoko and I'd be your John. You'd show your secret tattoo, maybe I'd get one too. You and me can start a whole new chapter. Oh, when you smile at me, I can feel the whole world turning. Oh, girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable. We'll get past Sunday morning. There's a future for us that's dawning. Oh, girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable. Oh, girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable.
One lesson that I learned doing this power hour is that I definitely perform better with a list. I'm very competitive with myself, so if I have that list, I'm trying to check everything off the list and I'm trying to beat the clock. And with this power hour, I wanted to wipe down all the surfaces, and I maybe got to half of the surfaces, the wooden surfaces that I was going to polish with the furniture polish. I did not even get to the glass surfaces, or the rest of the wooden surfaces. So I definitely do better with a list, and that might help you out too.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. drive with you, looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Do not forget to check out Jessica My Rose's video and see what she got accomplished in her power hour, along with all the other awesome YouTube creators who did power hours as well, and see what they accomplished in their hour as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Oh, and please hit that subscribe button, share, and help me get to 1,000. Have a great day. Bye-bye.